All right, I maintain that Google Sheets can do anything you want. I don't have an answer for Forms yet, but check this out. Uh, I Googled how to add subscript or superscript in Google Sheets, and I came across this, which I'll link in this email, which has a link to this. Like these are all the codes. So basically, what you're looking for is a function, but there's a specific way you need to do this. I'm assuming CHAR stands for character. So these are the codes that you need based off of whatever you need. And here's what you do. You go into Google Sheets, you type in your formula, but since it's a function, you need to start with equals parentheses, and then whatever you want. Let's say it's 5 times 10, and you want that to like the third power. So you'd say 5 times 10, close your parentheses, ampersand. Are you impressed that I know what that's actually called? I am. I didn't know that I knew that. And we said to the third power, right? So we know that's superscript because it's up there. The code for that is 179. So we go back to our sheet and 179, enter. Parentheses. There's parentheses. There's parentheses. Okay. So, and parentheses. I forgot the freaking I forgot the freaking code. What an idiot. Okay, look, we did it. 5 times 10 to the third power. Boom, right there. And then if we make this sucker bigger, you can actually see what it says. Ah, sweet, first try. Okay, I'm going to work on Google Forms for you.